In factory, recycled paper will be first sent into a cylinder, and the paper will be cut into small pieces to make paper pulp. Then, to remove the ink particle from the paper, factory will use chemicals like sodium hydrate to do the de-inking process. Now, the ink particles are separated from paper fiber. In the next step, factory will use bubble, which has high affinity with ink. So when bubbles float, the ink particles can be physically removed. At last, press and dry the clean paper pulp and new white papers are produced. It's a clever invention of process, right? However, when we study the remaking process, we have found two major problems. First, the chemical that used to de-ink caused severe water pollution. Second, the de-inking process of paper pulp cannot preserve 100% of fiber. In contrast, it will weaken the strength of fiber and cause great loss of it. Therefore, CGU Taiwan has provided our brand new design to solve this problem. To use our device, we first put a piece of paper into it, and then take a picture. The image will be sent into computer for image analysis. As you can see, the image will be divided into small units. And let's see. If the ink area of the unit reaches specific ratio, the LED of the unit will be lighted up. And at the same time, the device will spray our engineered yeast on the paper. So through red light stimulation, the yeast on the paper is able to secrete three kinds of de-inking enzymes: xylanase, glucanase, and lipase, which are chosen by using molecular docking simulation. Then, the de-inking process starts. Different from the traditional process, we de-ink paper specifically through the secretion of enzyme. Moreover, we de-ink paper before cutting it into paper pulp. In this way, only ink parts will be exposed to the inking agent. Therefore, most of the paper fibers can preserve their strength. That is to say, we achieve higher recycle ratio of paper fiber. This year, CGU Taiwan preserved paper fibers and maximize the use of it, and we protect our environment through using our bioinking device.